Mike Morrison from Friends of the Trail again. Now, the Friends have received a lot of word, a lot of complaints from people who may not know how to get from the new trail to the old one. So that's where we are here today. We're over here at the end of the new trail at Mount Pleasant Street in Milford. So hopefully with this video you can be able to figure out how to get from the new trail to the old one. Here we are at the Mount Pleasant Street trailhead behind Sacred Heart Church in Milford. So this is where the trail has to move on to existing sidewalk. So when you get here, you want to make a right turn. First, get off your bike, walk your bike across because it's kind of a narrow path. Take a right turn and follow Mount Pleasant Street to Beach Street. When you get to the corner of Mount Pleasant Street, take a right turn onto Beach Street, heading towards Main Street. Use the crosswalk in front of Sacred Heart Church to get across Main Street and continue on to the old section of the trail.